The BNTouch Mobile App lets you access all of the client and partner records that you have already entered in the Mortgages and Partnerships tab of the web browser version of your CRM. You can add new records via your mobile device, and these records will likewise be added and available next time you open your CRM database on your computer. This easy access to all of your mortgage information lets you carry out your business on the go via your phone or tablet. When you log into the BNTouch app, you can access your database or add new records to it by swiping from left to right to open the menu. This guide will focus on creating new files for borrowers and partners in your system and the available options for these mobile contact records. The most basic way to create new records via your mobile app is to tap Add Contact at the top of the menu list. When you do this, you will see a new blank form appear. The first three options you will need to choose for the contact are the type, group, and marketing sequence step. The type is very straightforward. Is this contact a client, partner, or potential recruit, if you have the recruiting module activated for your account? This will determine which database the record is added to. The group is for your organizational use. You will be able to select from any of the customized groups you have set up in the web browser version of your CRM. The marketing sequence determines how far along in the marketing process this contact is, and it is used to trigger the appropriate marketing campaigns for that contact. For borrowers, this status starts at lead, progresses through their application and in processing, and eventually reaches funded or canceled loan status. Partners, on the other hand, start at Biz Card Collected, progress to Interested, and can end as Active Partners, Preferred Partners, or other statuses like Vendor or Friends and Family. After these options have been selected, you can enter as much or as little contact information for the contact record as you like. As you scroll down, you will also see the option to start a marketing campaign immediately upon creating the new contact. If you want the new record to trigger any automated marketing campaigns you have set up for your account, make sure the Enable Marketing Triggers box is checked. Once you are ready to enter the information into your database, tap the Save button at the top of the screen. Now that a contact record has been added for the client or partner, you will see new options available to edit the record further using the sub-tabs at the top of the screen. You can add more contact information, like social media links and language preferences, in the Contact Info section. For partners, you can enter their partnership type, status, and more in the Commons and Extra Fields tabs, while mortgage clients will have many more tabs for loan information, including System, Mortgage, Property, and Employment info. Whenever you enter or change information in these fields, be sure to tap Save Changes below the sub-tabs to update the record in your system. At the bottom of a record, you can access several more sections of data for that contact. All of the information we have covered so far is in the Info and Contact Info sections, but several more options are available for your records. You can navigate between these options by tapping the arrow icons in the lower corners of the screen. Be sure to save any changes you make before navigating between these record sections. Tracker will show all communication, activity, and edits that have been made to the contact record by anyone in your business. The type of update will display to the right of each tracker event, and new notes about the contact can be added to the record using the Add Event button above. You can enter a description and type of event, then choose who the event will be shared with and who will be notified about the update. Participants will list any linked partners in a client record or assigned clients in a partner record. New participants can be added using the Select link to the right. These participants can be called, texted, emailed, or changed by tapping the Actions icon. You can also use the checkboxes to the left of these names and the link above the list to send emails to all selected participants. processing can be used to track and update client records as they progress through the in-processing stage of the mortgage pipeline. Dates can be selected by tapping a field, and comments can be added for each stage. Tasks will show any of your CRM tasks that have been linked to a record. New tasks can be created from here using the Add Task button at the top. These will automatically be linked with the current record. Documents will show any files uploaded to your CRM for this record, including those the client or partner has submitted and those that you have uploaded for them. New documents can be added easily by tapping Add Documents at the top of the screen. You can then find a file on your mobile device or take a photo using your device's camera. Tapping a file name will download the file to your mobile device and open it with the program you have assigned to that file type. You can also use the circles to the left of a file name to select multiple files to delete using the options above the list. Requested Documents allows you to send clients requests to upload and send you documents. Using the tabs at the top of the screen, you can review active document requests, check completed requests the clients have sent you, or access presets of documents to request. In the Active section, you can select and delete requests using the circles to the left or the Actions icon to the right, or you can send a new request by tapping Request Documents. Here, you can describe the files needed, enter a due date, and choose who to notify via loan portals. For request presets, you can add all associated documents to a client's request list using the Actions icon to the right and tapping Loan Preset. These preset document groups can only be loaded or deleted here, not created. Please log into your web browser client to set up new document request preset groups. Campaigns will list any campaigns that are currently active for the record. You can pause or stop these campaigns using the Actions menu to the right, and you can start new campaigns for the record using the Start Campaign button above the list. There, you can choose a campaign from the drop-down menu and select a date for the campaign to start. Pre-approvals lets you create pre-approval letters for clients and review those you have already sent. Any sent pre-approval requests for the client will be listed here, and you can tap the Loan Summary value to review details for that request. Here, you can tap View Letter to download a copy of that pre-approval letter, or Send Letter to send it again. When sending letters, whether again from a previous request or using the Send Approval button from the main list, you can enter a loan amount, max price, and down payment, then choose who to send the letter to, including the client or any participating partners. Lastly, you can tap Pre-Approval Settings from the main list to customize your default approval letter. Refinance will show any refinance analysis presentations you have sent to the client. New analyses can be created and sent to the client using the New Refinance Analysis button above the list. Here, you can enter loan information in the fields below, add proposed loan scenarios and debt records to compare using the buttons above, and tap Calculate. This will create a new presentation you can send to the client to review their options. You can modify the disclosure message included with these presentations by tapping the Customize Disclosure button above, and you can edit or email a refinance presentation using the Actions icon to the right. The Show on Portal option here can be used to select one analysis to display in that client's loan portal. Instead of starting a new record from scratch, you can scan a client or partner's business card and import that data directly to a new contact in your CRM. When you swipe to open your app menu, just tap the icon in the upper right corner to open the phone's camera. You may need to allow the BNTouch app to access this feature. Know that our app does not store these images or access your device's pictures in any way. Using your camera, take a photo of the person's business card using the button at the bottom of the screen. Try to hold the camera still to ensure that any text has a chance to focus before taking the picture. Once taken, the app will take a moment to parse the data from the picture of the card. When it is finished, you will be taken to a new contact record with any data parsed from the photo added automatically. Make sure to check the information for any errors, then save the record just as if you had entered the information manually. In the mobile app, you will have multiple methods available to navigate your client and partner record databases, including by database category, recently accessed or newly created record lists, or detailed contact searches. To learn more about the options available when viewing records in your BNTouch app, please check out our Mobile Records List training video. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.